something. You can remember 18th was the last question. It was a combination of addition problem as well as subtraction. This was the last question.
Yes, sir. So the last.
We shall move further. Here, question number 19 and 20 both are given. This is related to estimation. When two different numbers are given, how do we do the estimation of sum and the difference? Yes, how do we estimate this? Here we have 4-digit number, here we have 5-digit number. How do we do that? We have to follow a general rule. How do we follow a general rule for solving this?
Sir, we have to round both the number first with the thousands, sir, nearest thousand.
We have to round it to the
Nearest
smallest
thousand.
numbers
thousand,
number,
sir.
because here
Yes,
we
sir,
have a
nearest
4-digit number, so we will
Yes.
estimate both the things to
To the
nearest
nearest
1000.
thousand, sir.
So
Thousand, because of the there is last.
986, we have to round it off to nearest 1000. So 100 place we have to
18,000.
see. This becomes
18,000.
18,000. Very good.
Yes, sir.
5,290, we have to see
5,000.
So
this
5,000,
particular
sir.
digit.
5,000.
It will be 5,000.
5,000
Do the
because
sum.
in 100 place there is smallest than 5. That will come 5,000.
You
The
understand?
answer is 23,000.
Smallest number we have to see, and we have to take this as a reference.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now let's see the 20th question. Here the smallest number is 436.
Sir, we have to estimate 100 place.
Yes.
Yes, how do we do that?
6,000, sir.
100 place.
Yes, sir. For estimate 100, sir.
100. So 5,673 will become 5,700, sir.
Become 5,700 and 436.
Yes, sir. So that will become 400.
Yes, sir.
And the difference will
The
be
answer will become 5,300.
5,300.
Yes,
5,300.
Here, next question is related to multiplication. We have to estimate and multiply. Here, these two numbers we have to estimate.
So we have to multiply. Estimate of 10.
This will become
10, sir.
90,
Sir,
10.
90.
and this becomes
Yes, sir.
300.
Sir,
300.
So 27 followed by 3 zeros. 27,000 is the answer. In the
Yes,
B,
sir.
we have to round it off this number, which is 10,
Yes, sir.
10.
and round it off this number, it becomes 780. 780
800.
multiplied to
Yes, sir.
10, 7800. The third one, both are having the same number of digits, so
You
there
did
is no
mistake
problem.
in A question, sir.
Sir?
Sir, you did
Yes,
mistake
sir.
in A question, sir. The nearest
Sir.
is
Sir,
to 300 is 310, sir.
310.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
310.
First I told, sir.
When it is
So
310,
300.
what
Yes,
will be the
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer?
27,900.
So 310.
900.
27,900, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the C, the number of digits are same.
Yes, sir.
So nearest to 100, sir.
Nearest 100 will do
898. Yes, sir.
900 into 800, sir.
into
900
800.
Into 800.
800.
It will come 780, sir.
720,000.
Yes, 7,20,000, sir.
7,20,000.
Sir, one more zero, sir.
Here there are 3 zeros here. Here there is 2 digits. Here there is one digit.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes,
In
sir.
this one, same way, we will round it off to the nearest place. 958. It
Thousand and
becomes
400, sir.
1000.
1400.
This
Sir,
becomes
1000
400.
into 400.
So 4 followed by
400.
5
Sir,
zeros. 4 lakh.
Yes, sir. 4
yes,
lakhs.
sir.
This question is also the same way. We have to estimate by using the general rule. Will not do that. This is also using general rule. You will do that on your own. Let's see this question. We have to write in Roman numeral 98.
Yes, sir.
Sir, first one is
So, first the she, sir.
XCV triple I, sir.
Sir.
XCV triple I.
X,
The X.
XCV triple I, sir.
CV triple I. X she
one.
V triple I.
Triple I, sir.
Sir, XC V triple I, sir.
The X she V triple I.
Sir, XC V triple I, sir.
Yes, sir. X she V triple I, sir.
Why, sir?
Sir, because of when
XC
Hundred,
100, sir.
V triple I is
Minus
minus
10, sir.
any
Triple I, sir.
C
90 is XC and
yes,
V
sir.
triple I for 8. So combination
Yes, sir.
XC V
V.
I.
XC
This is the
triple I,
combination.
sir.
to find out
Likewise,
Yes, sir.
we can write this as 80 plus 8. How to make this 80?
Yes, sir. Sir, L
50,
L
50
triple X, sir.
L,
triple
X,
X
X,
plus 8.
triple X,
1, 1.
X,
So LXXXVII. Randomly, I will take the numbers now.
X,
This we have done. This we have done. Let's do 80. No, 95. Let's do 95.
Sir, XC VI,
Sir,
sir.
are you-
XCV.
VI
Sir,
95.
Sir, XCV.
How to do this? How to do this? 29.
X double X, sir.
Sir,
X,
X,
sir.
Double X,
X,
Double X,
1
X,
X.
sir.
double
Double
X,
X, IX.
double X,
Sir, double X, X.
Yes, sir.
How to do 15?
15, sir.
15, sir.
X plus
XV.
V, sir. XV.
XV.
39.
39, sir.
X.
Triple X, IX, sir.
Triple X, triple X,
X, sir. Triple X,
triple X,
Triple X, sir.
triple X,
Correct. 65.
65, sir.
69, sir.
LX plus, sir.
LXV.
Sir. LXV, sir.
LXV, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
LXV.
Okay. Good. Now I will take some numbers here. Let me take this D. D is XC
Sir, it is
VIII.
98,
It
sir.
is,
98,
it
sir.
is, sir,
98.
sir. 98,
Let
sir.
me take this G.
98, sir.
28, sir.
28.
28.
Let me take J.
Yes,
J is
sir.
29, sir.
29, sir.
29. Let me take L.
29, sir.
L,
L,
X.
sir.
88, sir. 88, sir.
88, sir.
88, sir.
Very good. That's easy. Now we are in the second chapter. The chapter name is whole numbers. What is the predecessor of 17? 17's predecessor is
16, sir.
18. 16.
16.
The successor of 1997 is
Sir,
198, sir.
Because we are 198, sir.
1098. C.
the smallest whole number is
0, sir.
0. Divide 7 by 7 divided by 0 is
Sir, it will come 0 only.
It is not defined.
Zero, sir.
Sir, it can't be defined, sir.
Yes, it is not defined.
See, sir.
Why it is not
Sir, it
defined?
came 0 0 like this only.
Why it is not defined?
Zero have not a value.
Sir, because if we divide that number from 0, it will result 0 and again back 0 0 0.
Zero we will not get,
Zero
Satvik.
only.
We will not get zero, Satvik.
Sir, it will come by point.
What is the meaning of this?
It has no value, sir.
What is the meaning of this?
10 divided by
The meaning of
Divided by
this
two,
is
sir.
5.
2 divides 10.
10 divided
2 will divide 10 5 times. Correct? The quotient we get is 5.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you have a 0 divided by a number, this 10 will divide 0 0 times. So answer is 0. But ulta if you do 10 divided by 0, can we divide by taking some quotient here? Can we get a
No,
quotient?
sir.
So quotient cannot be obtained. That is why it is not defined. You have to remember this.
Table only.
For this, quotient does not exist. That is the reason it is not defined. You will not get 0. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
One
Yes,
more
sir.
intelligent question, sir. What if 0 is divided by 0?
Sir, 0 only come, sir.
Sir, 0 only, sir.
0?
Only, sir.
Why not 1? Why not 10? Why not 40? Why not 400? Why not 4007? It can be any number. No?
No value, sir.
It can
No,
be
sir.
any number.
Divided by 0 by any number.
Since,
Zero, sir.
listen.
Any number. Sir, 0 by 0 is undefined as we can't divide it as it is not having any quotient. Can take
Listen
any
now.
number,
Not
sir.
having any value.
When we divide, sir. So when
Since
we are divided by 0 into 0, that will come answer 0 only.
when we divide 0 by 0, it can be any number. So quotient cannot be obtained. We don't have
Yes,
a
sir.
quotient for this. That is the reason
sir.
why it is also not defined. Let's see the next one. The value of this particular
Sir, it's distributive property.
Yes, sir. We have to
distributive
divide
property.
and distribute. Sir, first add 17 plus
297
3.
into
It is like
17 plus
297 multiplied to 17 plus 3.
Sir, we have to first add
So equal to
yes, sir.
397 into 20.
297
7 into 20.
sir. Yes, sir. It now
So
it
it will
will
be
be
5994, sir. 5940. 5940. Or 5940 only.
It will be 5940.
Yes, sir.
40, sir. Answer is
Yes, sir.
5940.
5940.
Remember,
5940, sir.
remember by multiplying this, then adding, we get the same answer, but don't go for that. You will waste time.
Sir,
You
lengthy.
have to
It
use
is lengthy.
property. The distributive property is used. Next, which of the following will not represent 0? 1 plus 0, 0 into 0, 0 by 2, 10 minus 10 divided by 2. Which one doesn't
But 1
represent?
A,
plus
sir. A
Which
option.
is
A
lagging?
option.
This one doesn't
Zero,
represent
sir.
0.
Yes, sir. A option.
The screen is lagging.
No, sir.
Yes,
Maybe
sir. It
internet
is
issue
coming
from your
late
side.
to us, sir. You are telling fast. We are seeing late.
No, sir. It is not coming, sir. It is not lagging.
Okay. Seventh one. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, if one number is 1,
Sir,
two
two numbers are 1, sir.
not
Two
1.
numbers are 1.
Numbers are one,
Two numbers are 1 only.
Numbers are one, sir. Sir,
Both the numbers
are
have to be 1. Then only the product will
Yes,
be
sir.
1. The smallest natural number is
One, sir. One.
1 is the smallest
It will be
answer.
one, sir.
Again, here there is a distributive property. 126 should be multiplied
126
to
into 55 plus 55.
Kiran.
Sir, it will become 126 into 100. 1600.
1,26,000, sir. 600.
I have already written it.
600.
10th question, you have to just observe it.
600, sir.
Okay, sir. 10th question you observe. A Roman 1, 2 is given. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, then the number will be 0. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, then both the numbers will be 0. Or option A is only the first statement is true. Option B is only second
Yes,
statement
sir.
is true.
Sir, A only, sir. Only one can true.
Both are false.
No, sir. Only one can be true.
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. It will A be.
Yes,
A
sir.
will be, sir. A.
If
Only
one
one
of
can be
if
true.
one of the number is 0
Both
and if
can be
there
true,
is any number,
sir.
then the product is
True.
0. If both
Sir,
the
both
numbers
can.
are
Yes, sir.
0, then also it is 0. So it means that
Option C.
both can
Option
be
is
true.
B, sir.
Option C, both can be true.
Only both can be true.
Not
Yes,
only, both can be
sir.
true. Here both the
Sir,
options
you
are true.
told 0 into 0, it will be not defined, sir.
Anna, 0 divided by 0 is not defined. 0 into 0 did I tell? 0 divided by 0 I said it as not defined. 0 into 0 is
Okay,
defined
sir.
here. Okay, 11th one. Study the pattern. Next step is here there is 1, here there is 1, 2, 8 is repeated, 1 is added, 2 is added. The next will be what? 1,
Sir,
2,
option
3
A, sir.
into 8 plus next number. It is something like this,
3, sir.
no? So option A is correct. What will be next to this? 1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4 into 8
1, 2,
plus
3, 4 into 8 plus 4 equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, sir. Yes, sir.
okay,
After
sir.
4, 5, 6, it will continue, sir.
Very good. Look at this, fill in the blank. 6245 plus 631 plus 751. These are there within the brackets. Now this 751 is written separate. 631 is there. You have to rearrange this. So it becomes 6245.
Option A, sir.
Option A
Sir,
is correct.
option A only, sir.
5
Sir,
divided
in
by
addition,
0
the
is
number can be anywhere also, sir.
5 divided by 0
Sir.
is
Not defined, sir. Sir, not
Not defined.
not
Cannot
defined.
define it.
0 divided by 6 is
Right, sir.
0.
Zero it will be, sir.
Zero.
Write the correct number
Zero, sir.
to complete. 13 into 100. Here two zeros are there. Two zeros if you remove,
Into
then
1000,
3 more zeros will be there. 1000.
1000. Sir, 3, sir. Sir, B, sir, 1000.
Yes,
1000,
sir.
sir, 1000.
3000 is correct. Now we are in the set 2, second set. Question 1. State the property used in the statement. Look at this. 29, 36 and 18 are there. And the multiplication is rearranged. What is this property called as?
Associative property in
It is called
multiplication.
as commutative property of multiplication. It is called commutativity. A into B into C, if it is there, it is same as A into B, then multiply to C. Hey, is it associative property?
Yes, sir.
It is not commutative here, it is associative.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, associative property. Yes, Nikhil. Yes, Pawan. Nikhil and Pawan together you are talking something.
No, sir.
But from your mic
Sir,
only
now
the
I am.
sound is there, yeah.
Sir, I am now talking, sir.
You are now talking. Earlier also your mic was
Can I?
on. Somebody was talking from your phone. From your home there was some sound. Okay, coming to
No,
question
sir.
2 here. The school canteen
I
charges
have.
rupees 20 for lunch, rupees 4 for milk. No, rupees 20 for lunch, rupees 4 for milk every day. How much money do you spend in 5 days?
120.
Sir,
24
120,
into
sir.
5.
120, sir.
120 C, sir.
No,
Very
sir,
good.
120, sir. 120.
120 is correct.
24 5 120, sir.
The largest number found by the digits 240369 is 9
Option
should
C,
be
sir.
there. 6
963,460.
3 should be there.
64,320, sir.
No, 4
9
should be
lakhs
there. 4 320.
64,320.
Option C.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Doubt, sir.
Yes, Satar.
Sir, this is division, sir. Yes, sir. Associative property is only applied for 3 numbers, sir.
Associative property is for 3 letters, 3 different numbers. For 2 numbers, we use commutative. This is for associative.
Thank you, sir.
And distributive also 3 numbers. You have something like this: A into B plus A into C. 3 numbers.
Sir,
Hmm.
for 2 numbers,
2 numbers.
Sir, commutative property.
Commutative property is for 2 numbers. A into B is equal to B into A. It is like this.
Yes, sir.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Question number 4.
Commutative bracket is equal to
Preetham.
infinite, sir.
Preetham Shignapur. What happened, sir?
Option D is correct answer, sir. Fourth one.
Option D is the correct answer. 36 flats cost something. What is the cost of each flat? You have to divide.
Division, sir.
Did you divide
Yes, sir. Division.
68251500 no double zero divided by 36? If you do it, we get
Yes, sir.
1895875. Option D. Yes, you are right.
Yes,
Option D
sir.
is correct.
Sir, your screen is
Yes,
lagging very
Nikhil.
much. Can I return?
Yes, Mihir.
Thank you, sir.
Now, what did you ask? He went off. Okay. Question number 5. State the property in the statement. Look at, there are only 2 numbers here.
Property, sir.
Yes, sir. Commutativity.
Commutative
Commutative
property.
property. Very
Commutative,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir. Question number 6. Find the product. 12 times of 35. 12 times of 35.
Sir,
12 5 is
420.
70, 12 5 is 36 plus.
C,
plus
420, sir.
420, sir.
420.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
420, sir.
Yes, sir. 420, sir.
Find the value of. In this question, we have 625 divided by
Sir, some
25, which will
first
be
one
25
option A,
only.
sir.
Option A,
1507 minus 25.
1,482.
1482 is the right answer. Very good.
And
What is the sum of this? There are 3 different numbers. We need to add them. 837 to be added to
1,648, sir.
208.
Yes, sir. Option
Then we
C, sir.
have subtraction.
Option C, 1,600.
No, there is addition here.
1,648.
Plus 603. कितना होगा 1648 I think.
Sir.
1648.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Option C.
Option 5, sir.
Sir.
Option 5, sir.
Next one, na.
Sir, ninth one, we have to move four to right hand.
Sir, ninth one, five, sir.
We use some word for that.
Four and
We say that
4 minus 4 is
4
9 minus
is
4 is equal to 5, sir.
transposed
Option C.
to right hand side
Sir, your
because
sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
I can't help here. I am using my mobile internet only.
Option C, four, sir.
Since there was no speed in the school internet, I am using my
Sir,
internet.
zero, sir.
Option C, sir.
Clear,
No, sir.
sir. C, sir. Tenth one.
Question 10. N is equal
Tenth
to
one
n.
will be option C, sir. It's clear, sir.
0.
0, sir. Option C. 0.
Zero. Zero.
Okay, the difference of largest number of 3 digits and smallest natural number is
98. 98. Option A. 98, sir.
990, sir.
which is the largest number of 3 digits? Triple nine, no?
900.
And smallest
999.
natural number
999.
Sir, 100.
Sir, 1.
998, sir.
998.
Option
The
A.
largest whole number is
Cannot be defined, sir. Cannot be found. Not be found.
Cannot be defined or cannot be found. Sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
set
the
3.
numbers are
Cannot be
unlimited.
found, sir.
Set 3. You do one thing. If you are
The
using
natural numbers are option B.
if you are using mobile phone, you can take a screenshot of this, and you can try on your own because there is a lagging problem. The
Option D, sir.
internet is very
Okay, sir.
slow here. Let me take the class next period.
Yes,
Your
sir.
voice is cutting in between, sir. Sir, your voice is cutting in between.
Sir, you use the school
That is
internet,
why.
sir.
Shh, listen. That is why I am telling you. You can take the screenshot of these 5 questions, and these 5 questions. You can do it. Okay, sir. Question 1 to 5.
Okay, sir.
Question 6 to 10. Question 11 to 15. These 3 you do. These 3 pages. In the next
Sir,
class, I
please
will
show me
take up
the 6
this.
to 10, sir.
In the next class, I will do this. Finding addition using number line and all.
Okay, sir. Sir, please share this and please share more questions, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. These 3 questions I will definitely share it. I am copying it
Okay,
now.
sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you for
Sir,
teaching,
thank you,
sir.
sir. Have a nice day,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Thank you for teaching, sir.